Good morning traders and welcome to NAGA Academy's weekly market outlook. Today we will be analyzing a variety of instruments on different asset classes. Our first instrument is the DAX index. As we can observe on the 30-minute chart of DAX, we can clearly see that the index has been trading in a nice uptrend trading channel. It has recently though broken to the upside, which can also be considered as a bullish signal. It has made a top on the 12,600 price area and is currently correcting to the downside. We're expecting the DAX index to continue its downward movement to approximately the 12,485 price area. This area can be considered as a strong support, as it consists of a retest of the uptrend trading channel as well as the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. If price reaches this area, we're expecting a bounce to the upside to approximately the 12,600 price level or slightly higher. Our second instrument is silver. As we can observe on the silver 4-hour chart, and after downward sudden movement, silver has made a bottom at the 14.35 price level. Since then, it has corrected to the upside only to find resistance on the 38.2. It has then recorrected down to the downside and currently has just broken slightly above the 38.2. It is also in the process in completing a failure swing to the upside. Once we see a valid break above this area, we're expecting silver to retrace back to the trend line to approximately the 15.30 price level. Our third instrument is the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. As we can see on the 15-minute chart of dollar CAD, and after sudden downward movement, a correction has been formed and sideways movement can be observed. It has made a bottom at the 1.2950 area. Since then, it has been correcting to the upside, only to find resistance inside the Ichimoku cloud. It has failed to reach the 38.2, which means it is currently very bearish. We're expecting dollar CAD to continue its downward movement and break below the 1.2950 in order to make new lows to approximately the 1.2920. Our fourth instrument is the Microsoft stock. The Microsoft stock has been trading in a nice uptrend. It has made a top at the 111.15 price area. It has then corrected to the downside and found support on the Bollinger Band. It had then corrected slightly to the upside, then to the downside, and is currently in the process of completing a failure swing to the upside. The Bollinger Band's widening can also support further volatile movement in the market. We're expecting Microsoft to break above its high at the 111 in order to reach the 161.8 extension level of the failure swing and find further resistance at the 115. Our fifth and last instrument is the crypto Ripple. As we can observe on the Ripple 30-minute chart, we can clearly see that the crypto is trading in a nice uptrend trading channel. The upward movement can also be supported with the golden cross of the 50 moving average crossing above the 200 moving average. It is currently trading on the uptrend return line and is in the process of currently breaking above. We're expecting Ripple to find some difficulty in order to break above, and a correction might be observed to approximately the 0.3210. There is also a possibility that Ripple will break above, retest the return line and make new highs to approximately the 0.35. Thank you for watching NAGA Academy's weekly market outlook. From all of us here, we wish you successful and responsible trading.